My name is Janin and I work with Third World Communities. What motivated me to learn investing? To be honest, Singapore is getting more expensive day by day, and we can't deny it, right? Having just one-time job is not going to cut it in future, especially if you have kids. So the end goal is to be able to provide for myself and my family, and at the same time be chill about it rather than rushing in the rat race that is Singapore. I was introduced to VIA through my wife, who was introduced also by another member who graduated from the course. My favorite part in VIA. For one, Cayden is very enthusiastic about what he does. He's very knowledgeable in what he does and imparting that knowledge in a way that is easy to understand. The best takeaway that I have from VIA is when people talk about the stock market and investing and options, it's all a mumbo-jumbo of words, essentially. It makes the barrier of entry high if you are not trained in finance or have that background. But I think with the VIA portion, they make it simple to understand. They take away a lot of the fear-mongering on how difficult it is or how different it is for a person that is not trained in this financial sector. Would I recommend VIA to my friends? Definitely. I think, especially in Singapore, there are a lot of people who unfortunately are not financially literate. They just go about earning one job and then gripe about how it is not enough. So definitely I would introduce or recommend people into VIA.